Welcome to Flamingo Adventures. Art and Tilly again. This time we're going to set up our AirSkirts. Tilly and I are getting ready to winter in the Airstream. So we want to show how to set up and how to get ready. It's a nice fall day, just before it gets too cold. So we wanted to go ahead and get it set up because you can set these up winter and summer. And I wanted to show you a little bit of what we got. We have 2 bags. We put the airbags in. It came in 3 boxes. So we put the airbags into the 2 bags that they came with. We have our skirts there, which could fit. We got the pump. We have an instruction manual with the welcome kit. And what's really neat is they actually did a diagram of how to put the airbags. You don't want to overinflate, but what we're going to do is we're going to go through and show you a little bit of how to get this process done. And we'll do segments. First thing we got to start with is we got to do the wheels. We'll look over here, and what we do here, we got 2 wedges that go in between the top and the bottom of the wheels and covers, and then we will lay out our airbags. So we will go ahead and get started with putting those wedges in, and we'll continue with the installation. All right, first we're going to take out the air pump. They have the air pump in the box here all together and several different attachments. So we're going to walk over to where we have our extension set up by the wheel well and get started here. Now the one thing while you're taking this, I want to make known, the advantage of this is it can also deflate your AirSkirts as well. Make sure
it's ready.
Okay.
We have power. Getting ready to attach the hose and inflate the first triangle that goes between the tires. Not fully, because we have to place it and then continue to inflate for secure placement. One.
The one thing they tell you, you don't want them too tight, but you also might have to let out some of the air to get them in just the way you want them. And then you bring them back up. Okay, now we've installed our little triangles here. You cannot have chucks that are cross chucks. For the tires, you leave your chucks on the outside of the tire. We're now going to put the skirt over top of it. Here we are. We put on the one side. We're getting ready to do the other side. You have the 2 triangles, the cover and the strap. So we're going to do the other side, but this is completed on this side. Okay, we've laid out all the units around according to the diagram. We have our wheel covers on. They're strapped down. We're good to go. Now we're going to inflate. We've checked for any sharp edges. We don't have any that we can see. So we're going to move forward with going ahead and get everything done. Okay, this is the last part of our AirSkirts. We've laid everything out, we put it all in, we've had it inflated. They also include these great little corner straps. What they do is they keep it all tied in together. The one thing I wanted to show is they say don't make them too tight. Make sure you can push in. You just need a seal. Now, we put these on and it just went through 17 degrees temperature. It kept the bottom of this Airstream perfectly warm. Very, very, very great to have this as part of the Airstream for the winter camping. So now we have it all in there. We're all straight. Everything went exactly as they planned and how they laid it out. So again, AirSkirts did a great job. They helped us put it together. The only thing I had to do was when the temperature dropped down to 17 degrees, I had to put a little bit more air in. But with that additional air, it was all fine. Underneath is all sealed off and it keeps the temperature at a low threshold for getting too cold. So we did find that once the temperature went down with the underneath heating elements, it helped keep that heat in there, because the heat on the Airstreams run underneath to keep the tanks from freezing. So this serves just as a better guide to it. Again, a nice, smooth, tight fit all the way through. Again, recommended, American made, family owned company, great product. It's expensive, but if you look at what you have to go through to build anything else, these are usable year after year after year. And you saw the bags. We'll do a little segment if we need to when we take them out. But we are now set up in December, ready for the storm to come through, whatever gives snow and everything else. So this is Art and Tilly signing off with AirSkirts installed on our Airstream Flying Cloud, Cloud 9. Thank you.